We're at the Silly Boat Regatta 2024, and I am here with
Monica,
Sean,
Michelle,
and Scott.
Michelle. Can you explain to us what your role is here?
Absolutely. I'm the Resource Development Coordinator and help organize the Child Development Centre Silly Boat Regatta.
And how many volunteers do you have registered today?
We have about 123 volunteers registered today, as well as the teams that are participating, and of course the organizing committee as well.
Yeah, so we're with VIU Students Union, and today we're at Silly Boat, and we have somewhat of a canoe structure. Yeah, taped it all together, and we're hoping for the best. Hopefully we stay afloat.
I was gonna explain the method, but no, we're not going to explain the method. This is creative design. This is what this is.
This is our first year as a Silly Boat team. So we don't know what we're doing, but we're having fun.
Electricity and water doesn't mix. Yes. So we decided to go with this PVC paneling here, brought in part by Tom. Got here some PVC pipe, capped. That's going to create the flotation. And yeah, this is for the kids, so.
I'm Fuzzy What's-It, and I'm out here at the Silly Boat Regatta in 2024. They're going to go from here all the way down to a buoy over in the bay. That yellow buoy over there. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. And then they're going to come back here, and the first ones to go out and back win, apparently. And if they sink, they win too. And if we have fun, then everybody wins. They're putting together their boats right now. Like, they're not pre-built. They're actually building them as we speak.
Lovely darling, come and go with me and please don't hang down. On the sea and I need you, darling. So come go with me down, 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 weary down, 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 down. Come into my heart and down, 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 weary down, I need you, darling. So come go with me down.
Okay, we're getting thumbs up.
All right, are we ready, everybody?
This is for all marbles, for all the big ones.
3, 2, 1.
All right, BC Ferries is going out strong again.
Cardboard rules early.
I know, I'm so surprised.
This is a close one.
I know it is. Look at this. Rotary too. Look at the splashback they're getting off that.
They're paddling like this is the last time we'll ever have that boat.
Oh, we got somebody heading to the crab dock. Turn around. Everybody else is trying to get around that buoy now. Oh, Maisie's is